HCC 087, guys. These are your teams in the break, guys. Those are your teams. Go ahead and take a screenshot if you guys want to take it. I do have to turn the music off so we can repost the videos, or else it'll get muted. All right, here we go. Hopefully that's correct. Remember, guys, I do go by shop, all right? Appreciate you guys for filling that one up, guys. Last break of the night, guys. Last break of the night. We're going to go 24, 23, 24, and 23, and hopefully we can finish off on there. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go downtown. Who's ready to go hit the clubs? In the club, we all fam. All right, let me move all these packs here. Does anybody have any questions, guys? Anybody have any questions? I do. Where's my sleeves? My bad, guys. I'm never prepared when it comes time to ripping. I don't understand why. I'm due for a downtown. I'm 100% sure I'm due for a downtown. Can we hit it? That's the question. But I'm definitely due for a downtown. One mega box, okay? Someone's gonna get a mega box if we don't hit it. Stop asking, because we're gonna hit it, okay? We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it, okay? I'm trying to keep it positive, David. Come on. Keeping it positive here. All right? I'm saying what you said, all right? I'm kidding, man. You're good. You are good. Here you go, guys. Good luck. It's not bad. All you got to do is wait for the scream, Kobe. You just got to wait for the scream. Just wait for the scream. Devin Leary. Jalen Wright. Wow, Devin Leary again. 2 for you, David. 2 Devin Learys for you. Except this one doesn't have a line through his head. But yeah, the shock parallels are way harder to. Why the Devin Leary? Is that what it is? The Devin Leary? Joe Alt on a silver. Ben Sinnott. Devin Leary's cursed. Are you sure? That's a nice Joe Alt right there for the Chargers. You sure? This might be the box. Jermaine Burton. Chris Jenkins. Trust me, guys. If a break is bad, it's never good for me, guys. Never good for me. Chain reaction, Devontae Adams and Dijun Edwards. Hey, Jalen Brooks, Dallas Cowboys. On the auto. There you go. Aiden Hutchinson and Michael Pratt. All right, we'll take it. We'll take the auto. All right, good start. That's a good start. Okay. That's a good start. We'll take it. We'll take an auto early on. We'll take it. That's a good start. I see something happening here. I see something happening here, guys. Oh. I'm seeing something happen here. Jaden Hicks. All right, little Bo Nix on the purple shock. I'm seeing it. A little action. All right, we got a little action. All right. Here we go. Seeing a little action here. All right. Christian Gonzalez, we'll take that. Jaden Reed, rookie on a diamond hands. Wait, was there a rookie diamond hands? I think that's the first one I've seen that. For real, I think it's the first time I've seen a rookie diamond hands. I don't remember diamond hand rookies. Darnell Washington, Marvin Mims. I think we got something here. I think we got something here, guys. I think we got something here. Jake Bobo, Anquan Bolden. I like seeing Darnell Washington for some reason. We'll take that. CJ Stroud, Will Anderson, and Jason Taylor. This was the one, guys. This was the one. Okay, Texans. We'll take that. I would have taken that. Should have left it as the last team. Okay. Michael Wilson. We got another Stinson Bennett Hollow. George Kittle. How are we feeling, guys? Better? We feeling a little better? I mean, we're doing pretty good on this one. Doing pretty good. All we need is a downtown. There's a Clayton Tunes. Tyree Wilson. Base. All right, here we go. Kate Stover for the Texans. Jalen McMillan. Well, we got 2 blue sparkles in the other one, so that wasn't too bad. Sam Darnold. Tyler Newman. Looking for it. Marshawn Lloyd, Joe Alt. Looking for it. Let's get you a nice JJ would be nice. Ooh, I thought that was something there. Marshawn Lloyd, Braylon Trice. Still not a bad start. Hollow rookie. Give us a good one. Ooh, what color is that? Jonah Ellis. That would have been a nice Bo Nix, though. Mason Smith. You know, with the Broncos there. Enos Rickstraw Jr. and a Tip Ryman. All right, box number 4. Dude, this is way better than the last one. Just starting off. What is that? Marte Mapu. Retro series for the Jets. Ryan Dawkins. Peter Skoronski. Jalen McLaughlin, Jack Youngblood. He has the best. Mosaic photo. Come on, Jake Moody, Sauce, CMC. This one's 23 right here. Yeah, this one is 23. Parker Washington. For the Jags. Anthony Richardson. Hey, how about a Paris Johnson Jr. auto? That one's numbered, right? 71 of 199. 71 of 199 going to Arizona. All right, we're at 2 autos. PJ auto. Let's put that right there for a second. It's 23, and then the blue is 24. All right, 23 is the orange one, And blue to 24. All right, 2 autos so far. We'll take it. We'll take it. Numbered Paris Johnson. Another Paris Johnson. John Elway. I wasn't expecting that auto, to be honest. Dorian Williams, Diane Hanley, Alan Lazard. All right, guys, good luck, good luck, good luck. 24, this, 24, this, 24, this. Now we're going to go back to 23. All right, we got to hit it downtown. We got to hit it downtown right here, guys. One of these boxes for sure. Or mythical, or something like that. Jahmyr Gibbs for the Lions. C.J. Stroud rookie, and another George Pickens. Yeah, that was what I was trying to do. I was trying to finish on 24. I think I was supposed to start with 2023. Jake Hayner for the Saints. Jackson Smith and Jigba. Keyshawn Johnson. So purple, like not purple shocks, but I think all shocks, they have some kind of line right here. It's really light, but sometimes you can pass, all right? The print lines, you can pass. Like if you go on what you call it, you can search up like purple shocks downtowns, and you'll probably see some with Tyler Scott, Ricky Jackson, and Daniel Jones. You can see some PSA 10s with print lines. Demario Douglas, Marte Mapu, Sam Howell. All right, man. It's making me sweat. Sometimes I just want to pull up downtown and get it over with. I mean, so far our break isn't too bad. 2024 is not winning so far. Jaleel McLaughlin, Dallas Clark Hollow, Devonta Smith. Yeah, Architect, all your cards, all your base, everything. Oh, we do have a case hit here. That is a case hit. That is a case hit. Tony Pollard on the Blazer. Tony Pollard on the Blazer. Going to Dallas. Aiden O'Connell and Jake Moody. Dallas Cowboys. Tony Pollard on the Blazers. That is a case hit. We're not done yet. We can still hit it downtown, guys. It's not over yet, Caleb. It's not over yet. We're not done yet. There's only been 2 boxes of 25, so 24, I mean. But I'll send you something if you don't hit anything. Roman Wilson, Malachi Corley. I need one of these uptown, downtowns to pop out. Trey Hendrickson, another Devin Leary. Jace McKeelan, Jermaine Burton. Malik Neighbors, another Bo Nix. All right, Denver, I see you. I'm telling you guys. Like, I know I want a case hit. We hit a case hit, but I still want the other case hits from 24. Najee Harris, get well soon. Yatu Latu. We got a patch. Spencer Rattler on the patch. There you go. Hey, little Bears action. Darius Robinson. We'll take the Bears. Little Caleb. All right. This is definitely better, right? Tell me that's not a better break, guys. It's definitely a better break. Definitely a better break so far. All right, definitely a better break. Little action for the Bears. Who has the Bears? Who has the Bears? Ooh, I thought that was something for a second. Jair Brown, Tua, Jason Taylor. I feel like downtown's gonna be in that this box. Say that for last. I think downtown's gonna be in that box. You going midtown or downtown, guys? Michael Wilson, Josh Downs, base. Man, those guys were non-existent in the last break. Non-existent. Bijan, Champ Bailey, Devin McCourty. You know, Kobe, like with JJ, I have a good feeling with JJ, right? Like in any breakout run, I feel like JJ is gonna hit some type of case hit. Tyree Wilson, Darius Davis. Reason being is because so far, like majority of the big case hits I've hit was JJ McCarthy. Miles Murphy, Michael Wilson Silver, hollow. Yeah, I hit in Donruss. I hit the JJ McCarthy. I'm gonna probably post that video later, but I did hit a what you call it? There's a DJ Turner, Jalen Hyatt, and base. Ooh, guys, here we go. Come on. I did hit a JJ McCarthy downtown in Donruss. All right, in Donruss, I hit the JJ McCarthy downtown in Donruss. And then I hit the Color Blast JJ McCarthy. I'm like, if anything, I feel like if I were to hit a downtown out of Optic, it'll probably be a JJ McCarthy. Quinyon Mitchell for the Eagles. There's a Jaden Daniels for the first time tonight. I mean, there's some value back. Just need like two more. Two more of these, you'll be okay. We'll take the Jaden Daniels. 2 autos, a case hit. 3 top rookie QBs. Take it all day. Pat Fryermuth on the hollow. Audric Estime. Jalen McKeelan, Kool-Aid McKinstry. Or is it McMillan? Never mind. The other one's Jace McClellan. I thought they were the same people. All right, here we go, guys. Let's go. Keon Coleman, DJ James. Oh, my goodness. Come on. We got to hit it. Don't do this to me. We got to hit it. That Blazers ain't going to do it. I'm sorry, but that Blazers ain't going to do it. You know what we need. Yes. We got something here, guys. Good luck. Good luck, guys. Finally, right? There you go. Good luck, guys. It is an uptown. Good luck, guys. Here we go. This is what we got. We'll take it. Wait, who has the Bears? Is it the guy that said he's donating me money? You can have it back if you want it. I'm just saying. Dylan Law on the hollow. Michael Penix. Told you guys. I had a feeling the second half. Bears, congrats. Bears, congrats. Sorry, Tyler. It happens sometimes like that, man. Sometimes you get into one. There's somebody in the. I don't want to say it. I don't want to bring back, stir up old memories. It happens. Okay, it happens, guys. I don't want to stir up old memories, but it definitely happens. Congrats, Caleb. Congrats. Nice hit. Nice hit. Save me a mega box. Tyler Newbin. Jacob Cowling. I mean, I wanted you guys to come back, you know, try for second break. But it was so bad, the first one, though. The first break was so bad. Can we get another one here, guys? Can we get another one? Can we get another one? Can we get another one? I need a downtown. That's what I need. I need a downtown. I need a downtown. Oh, what is that? No. Not a downtown. Cedric Tillman. Bryce Young. I mean, so far, 2 case hits. We're okay for right now, but let's go. Let's go. Jordan Battle. Jalen Carter. Herbie. You know why I didn't scream? It was a sigh of relief. It was a sigh of relief, guys, for me. Sometimes sometimes you want someone to hit. There's a Puka Nacua, William Perry, and you kind of start sweating. You know what I mean? I'm like, if I don't hit a case hit, then I can't run Optic no more. You know? Deontay Banks, Kalaji can't see, base. There you go, Kalab. Gotcha, Caleb. Kalab. Congrats, Kalab. You got Tyler Lacey, Jake Bobo on the hollow, Gino. There's a 4th one right here, Jake Bobo. Terry. I mean, I don't have that much 2024 left yet. 2024 left yet. I think I have 10 left, and then I have a ton of these. I do have cases of these, and I think by the case it is a downtown per case so far. Jack Campbell. There's a Dalton Kincaid and a Nick Chubb. All right, guys, last chance here, guys. Last chance. It's not impossible, guys. It's not impossible to hit 2. Okay, Rookie Kings or something like that. It's not impossible. We've done it. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Last chance. Yeah, I have cases. I have full cases of 23 Optic. I don't have a lot of 2024. 2024 Optic is really hard to get. I mean, I can do it, but it'll just be a little more expensive. These were kind of priced to where I got them for. Keenan Allen. Oh, my gosh. Will Ricard. This guy. Nate Wiggins. Guys, everybody think Caleb. I'm kidding. Geno Smith. Shaheem Bell. I hate Will Ricard. I dislike him. Joe Milton for the Patriots with a line on his head, and Chavondre Sweat. You're a big Bryce Young guy. You got the Panthers, right? Did you get the Panthers? No. I'll send you some Bryce Young stuff. Best Tutties. Jaquan Jackson. That's Quentin Johnston. All right, this is the pack right here. This is a pack. Good luck, guys. Should I do this pack last? I'm gonna do this pack last. I think that might be the hollow. It's usually in a hollow pack. Brennan Rice with a line on his head. J.C. Latham. There we have it, guys. No insurance. We already hit it. Last chance, guys. Can we do it? I'm seeing something. Nope. There we have it, guys. Do have a rookie Bucky Irving for the Bucks on the hollow. We'll take that. And a Braylon Allen. There we have it, guys. Appreciate you guys for joining that one, guys. Definitely appreciate it. Woo, Caleb saved my life. It is, I know. I remember you. Remember I was calling you Kalab. And then you finally corrected me after I just kept calling you Kalab. Guys, his name's not Kalab, okay? It's Caleb. It's just because he spelled it that way. It looks like Kalab. All right? All right, guys. There we have it, guys. Appreciate you guys for joining. That wasn't too bad, guys. 2 autos, 2 case hits, 3 rookie QB, top QBs. I feel like that definitely made this break amazing, guys. All right, let's do a quick recap. David, don't worry. I'll take care of you, man. If you see me in a live somewhere, you know, I might take care of you, okay? If you're buying breaks and we're in the same live somewhere, you got to find me, okay? I might take care of you, David. Just saying. All right, here we go, guys. Quick recap. Definitely appreciate you guys. Yeah, better break than earlier, but definitely a solid one. Some rookie QBs, definitely some good ones. No, I do it all the time. Whenever I see people that gets into my break and they're like buying into stuff, when I see a good deal, I try to jump in. There we have it, guys. Appreciate you guys for joining that one, guys. Not a bad break. Way better than the last one. Way better. I know it wasn't too great for certain teams, but we got a Paris Johnson auto, Jalen Brooks auto. There's our Jaden Daniels, Caleb Purple Shock, Stroud Purple Shock, Bo Nix, Tony Pollard on the Blazers case hit, and then our Caleb Uptown. So not too shabby there. Not too shabby. Bears won that one for sure. Bears definitely won that one. There you go. Not too bad. All right, guys. I don't know what I'm going to break tomorrow, guys. I've definitely been trying to fill Topps Finest. No one seems to want to get in Topps Finest. We got a whole case of Topps Finest Hobby, and no one wants us to seem to get in on it. Hopefully, I can fill one and see how it goes. But yeah, most of you guys, if you guys didn't hit anything, guys, I will send you guys some extras. Maybe get some packs in your order as well, guys. Appreciate you guys for hanging out, guys. Definitely appreciate it. Everybody have a great night. Take care. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Congratulations again, Kalop. Congrats. All right, appreciate you guys. You guys have a great night. Take care and stay safe, guys. Definitely appreciate it. Guys, we're almost at 4,000 followers. Remember, guys, you know,